Okay. Why is Packout Princess in the pool?
I don't know, because you don't like me sitting out there where I can chill.
Oh,
so
that's
you asked me to get in the water.
It's science.
It is for science.
Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. Undo the Packout cup, but in case you wondered, Packouts do make good flotation devices, and not those. All right, so open it up.
Okay.
We're gonna show them something.
Oh, it's bubbling.
Oh, that's unique. Okay, so we have thrown it in there, and we got a camera and a flashlight. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn this on, and we're gonna set it to film that direction, right? So that we can see what it looks like. And what are we gonna do?
We're gonna have you dunk it under the water.
We're gonna dunk it under the water.
I'm not dunking it under the water. You're dunking it under the water.
Okay. All right. So
my hair wet.
we're gonna flip the camera around. Okay. So we've got this sort of in here. We're gonna put the light in. Okay. We're gonna hit record. We're gonna close the lid. We'll latch it. So you saw we got a couple drops from the seals when we lifted it up. So now we're gonna go ahead and dunk it underwater. Okay. So the camera's recording at the same time. Oh, I see bubbles. Now I'm gonna try.
I'm gonna laugh if you fall. It's like surfing.
It's like surfing. Okay. So I don't know, how long should we do this for?
We'll count to 10.
We'll count to 10. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're gonna fast forward it. 7,
Yeah.
8, 9, 10. Okay, are you ready?
Okay.
Here we go. Watch this. Oh, that came to the surface quicker than an experimental submarine with a bunch of rich people. Okay, actually, I'm gonna go ahead and dump the water off the top. I know that's my camera in there. Let's see. Okay, let's see how much. This is real life, real time.
Bring it closer.
All right, that's what we got.
You gotta bring it closer so we can see, because there's
How much water do you think we've got in there?
It's probably a quarter of a cup.
That's like Packout Princess is having a normal night of shots. All right, let's check the camera. It's still recording. So we've recorded for about 2 minutes, and I'll throw up on the screen what it looked like inside. We're gonna close the lid. We'll latch it. So we saw a couple drops from the seal when we lifted it up. So now we're gonna go ahead and put it underwater. Okay. Experimental submarine with a bunch of rich people. Okay, actually, I'm gonna go ahead and dump. Okay, so that was interesting.
Yeah, it sounded kind of like somebody was peeing.
I would never have heard that sound before. So, flotation device, yes.
Yes. Drink
Packout.
holder.
Drink holder,
Works well
yes.
as, yeah.
Yeah, just floating, stayed waterproof.
Floating. Yeah, it works when it floats, and it works for a couple.
It was a couple shots of water, right?
Yeah.
And I think Milwaukee rates it to be in the bed of a truck through like a rainstorm.
Right.
But not
dunking it in a pool.
not deep sea diving.
No. That's
So,
for submarines.
There you go, for science. I did
science.
it for science. So you guys have a good one.
See ya.
Pack out.